Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I've got H&M haul for you guys. As you can see, I've laid out all the items I've bought on this clothing rail. So I'm going to show you one by one. Most of these items are actually in neutral color, which is my color palette. If you have been watching me for a while, then you guys know like I love neutrals because first thing, it's easier to style and I can wear all year round. All of these items are less than £50. If this is your first time watching my channel, welcome. My name is Sarita. I mostly do like fashion videos, skincare, lifestyle vlogs. So let's start this video. The first item I have is this one here, which is in gray color. I actually bought a blazer and trousers, so I've kept them together so that it's easier to show you guys. As you can see, this is the sleeveless blazer, which is a single breasted, comes with 3 buttons here. I really like how it looks, and it looked great on the model. However, for my frame, I don't think it looked great. I am 5'3" and I normally wear between size 8 to 10. I feel like H&M sizes are very tricky at the moment. Some clothes I fit in size 12 and some I wear like size 10 or 8. So this one I got in small size, and it is a quite long blazer. I really like the fact how comfortable these trousers are. You can wear this at work or as a casual as well with trainers, which I love to do. And then there is a stretchable vest, which I like. This is very comfortable, comes with like a pocket on the back. I like this, but I don't think I love this enough to keep this. This is great for office wear. You can also in winter layer it with another coat on top. I'm definitely going to return this one. Please do let me know what you guys think and which one should I keep on the comment down below. And you guys know like I love to read your comments. So now moving on to next one. Since it's autumn, I decided to go ahead and buy myself a knitwear. This is like a very trendy piece. I normally don't buy trendy piece, but I've been seeing this for last 3-4 years. This one is much more like simple basic one. I like this, but I'm not 100% sure about keeping this one as well. So here it is in beige color. It is again sleeveless one. It's all over the Instagram at the moment. Everybody's wearing it. Really good quality. This was only $17.99 for $17.99. The quality is spot on. This is such a versatile piece. I can wear it with jeans or layer it with a big coat, as well as this will go with dresses. The reason I like this one is the fact that this is a really versatile piece to have in wardrobe. This is not like one of those that would go quickly out of fashion. I'm not 100% sure what should I do with this one, but I do like the quality. If I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of it, then I'm definitely gonna keep it, because you know me, I like to keep only items that I get cost per wear, meaning I'll be able to wear again and again, which will reimburse the price of the clothes. Next one I have is in black. You guys know I really love black at the moment. I'm gravitating towards black. Look at this top I'm wearing in black again. I've got quite a few black pieces here. If you're on my Instagram, then you have already seen this. I actually already styled this piece. A lot of you have actually loved this, like how I styled it. I think I've got around like 10k views in TikTok. So behold, ladies and gentlemen, this is this beautiful sleeveless dress. Oh my god, guess what? As soon as I saw this, I thought I should pick this up, but I wasn't sure if it would be flattering on my body. But this is really flattering on the body. This one was $39.99 and I went with medium size, as it is quite fitting on the top part, also on the hip area, and then it flows down. It has really nice silhouette, especially on the bottom part. It just flatters your body. I have actually gained quite a lot of weight after having my second child, so you know, this one is a perfect fit for me. It just makes me look incredible. I feel incredible when I'm wearing it. I absolutely love this one. I love the detail on the bottom. It has got pleats on the bottom, which is like a really nice addition. And this is like a very simple round neck dress, nothing much going on, but the design, the fit is perfect. I'm definitely going to keep this one. You guys know I'm a big fan of shirts, so I bought this one, which is a stripy one. The quality is really good. I went with medium size because I normally go with medium when it comes to shirts. I love this one. However, I don't like how long the sleeve is. I don't know why they have decided to make the fit bad, especially on the sleeves. I'm actually sitting on fence with this one. So this one here is a black blazer. Very plain, very basic one, single breasted. Here you go. I love love the quality. You guys know I always talk about quality, but I'm really keen on picking up pieces that feels great when I'm wearing it, as well as that washes well and will be with me in the long term. So this one is in 100% cotton, really good quality. It has got this really nice round shape. I normally don't buy round shape blazer, but this time I did because I really like the style of this, as well as like it doesn't look over the top. I feel like everybody needs to have one black blazer in their wardrobe. So this is my like first black blazer. You guys know like I'm a big fan of blazers, but I never had a black one. If you haven't watched my blazer collection video, then I'll leave the link down below as well as up here so that you can click and watch the video. Everything is linked on that video, all the blazers that I've shown, and all these items that I've shown you here on this video will be linked as well, so don't forget to check the description box. Now moving on to another one. I absolutely love roller neck in autumn and winter. This one was only $9.99. I got in white because I love white, and also like I like to do white on white as well. You guys know like I'm a big fan of jacket. I actually bought one last year which I'm wearing till this day. I absolutely love that one, and that one has been such a great addition to my closet. So I decided to try out another one which is exact same one but in different color. So here it is in beige color. You can see it comes with 2 pockets. This one I bought in extra small because I knew like small is like huge. For some reason these jackets are not true to size. You have to go like 2 sizes down. Normally I would go with medium when it comes to jackets or blazers, but with this one I went with extra small because sizing is not spot on. I've already got this one in a gray color. I can't fold this one. Really like the style and the design of this. Look at this. This is just so beautiful. I'm really into like shirt dresses. Look at this, just a very simple one, and it has got like a crinkled effect on it, which I normally don't like. Surprisingly, this I love it. This is like really simple, really basic shirt dress, but this has been made well. I can get a lot of wear out of this one. I love a good suit. I bought this one in light beige. This one looks great, right, when I'm holding on. So that's the blazer, quite fitting on the top. Even though it has got elasticated waist, it doesn't stretch. This one is in normal cotton trousers. I like this, but I don't love it. Luckily I picked up another black trousers. It is quite relaxed one. It's not very fitting on my waist, which I love, and yeah, the length is perfect on me. I've actually worn this one already, and I love how comfortable it is, how flattering it is. You guys know like I love linen, so I'm glad like I bought this one in sale. This was £22. I think originally it was around £40 mark. I really like this one. I got this one in small size. I can see myself wearing this a lot. I know I'll get a lot of wear out of this one. Whenever I'm picking up pieces, I try to think like, am I going to get a lot of wear out of these pieces? And then when I feel like, oh yes, I will, then I would actually pick them up. I ask myself if I love the item and if I get a lot of wear out of it, and if this is a need or want. So I ask myself those 3 questions, and when all of these 3 are ticked off, then I keep the items. I hope you enjoyed this short haul. Everything will be linked down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please feel free to subscribe my channel. I would love to have you on board. Till then, take care. Bye guys.